What's going on, guys? CryptoHoy here, and in this video I want to do a quick follow-up or update on this project on Wall Street Memes to see the numbers, the charts, to see how it's doing. But before we jump right in, just real quick, guys, if you guys find this video to be helpful and informative, make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and also hit the bell so you never miss another video and other updates. Let's get right into it. So first, let's look at their charts. So currently the price is at 0.023, almost 0.024. Something very interesting happened just a few hours ago today in the morning. It reached all the way up to like basically or around 2.5 cents, which is the stage 1 price. It is still below, right? Like it's still below from the launch price, but it was able to kind of jump back up and sort of recover, but it was very short-lived. It didn't last very long because it quickly dropped down. There was just a lot of selling pressure, and now we are back at around 0.023, pretty much in the low 2 cents. Because of that selling pressure. And just keep in mind again that we are still below the stage 1 price, meaning that anybody who bought a stage 1 price or above, basically all those holders are at a loss. Unless you bought this token at a much lower price, let's say like right here below 2 cents, then probably you're on a you're pretty much making profits here, but pretty much it's not really looking good here on the chart for Wall Street Memes. Now let's take a quick look here also at the number of holders. The number of holders there hasn't been any major or significant changes. It pretty much dances around either in the ranges of like 15 holders, either up or down. So right now it's at 39,030. But like a few times, like a few days ago, it was around 39,015 or 39,014 or somewhere around there, and then it would jump back up to 39,032, 20, 23. Like it would pretty much dance around this range of like 15 to like 20 holders, but nothing significant. Mainly it's just kind of, I guess, not to say trading sideways, but pretty much the number of holders are basically just sideways. There hasn't been any major bumps, peaks or like downwards dips or anything like that. It's basically roughly around the same. Nothing really major here. Let's take a quick look here also at the number of staked. So staked has gone down actually a little bit. It was, if I'm not wrong, around 511 million or 512 million, and it was at 39%, the estimated rewards. Now the rewards has been adjusted accordingly. From 39% it has gone up to 40% because the number of stakes has dropped. So now it's at 502 million, almost at 503 million. So that has been it has dropped, and therefore the estimated rewards has been adjusted accordingly. And let's take a quick look here at the number of burning. So the total amount of burned tokens by the community has gone up. It is now at 236,000. It was like 191 or something like that before, if I'm not wrong, but it has gone up quite a bit on the community burn of tokens, and the total burn of tokens is roughly around the same. It is at 2.4 million, almost 2.5 million tokens burned, which is great. The majority is from the team that are burning tokens, so that's great to see. But again, like I always say, burning is not the solution for increasing the value of the token. Buying is pretty much the way to go. This helps, all this really helps, but it helps at a very small amount compared to actually buying the token. What you want is to get increased holders and increase the number of the tokens being bought. But yeah, now one thing also that we can look at here just to conclude or finalize is here under social media at X. There's nothing really major going on here. All they're basically posting right now is anything related to the casino and memes promoting their casino. So we can see over here just doing some promotions here, trying to get people attention to join their casino, their game. We see here more memes, and then again more memes. So they're basically just promoting, making memes, making things funny, I guess, to get people's attention so that they can go ahead and click and kind of go to their casino website and check it out, and right. But that's pretty much it. Basically, there's nothing really major going on here with this project. And my prediction for this is that I don't see this staying up here for too long. This price, I see this price going below 2 cents. I'm not sure when that could happen. Maybe around Christmas time and December, this price can start falling down, because if we zoom out and look at, everything that is happening around the world, the economy, inflation here in the United States, people tend to spend money, all right, on around Christmas time and stuff like that with friends and family. So they're gonna try to see where can people liquidate, what assets people can liquidate. And sometimes the easiest ones to liquidate is going to be like crypto, or the less important crypto. Not all of them, of course, but the less important crypto that tend to like liquidate, or maybe stocks, if they don't see it that is going to increase any value anytime soon or something like that. Or maybe some other stuff, other properties that people might have to liquidate to cover certain costs, right? Whether that's traveling with the family to buy more gifts, dinners, and so on. But yeah, pretty much crypto is pretty much high up there in that list when it comes to liquidating assets. But pretty much that's what I think here. I think that around Christmas or so, or it could be before or after, my prediction is that it's going to fall below 2 cents. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Share your thoughts. What do you guys think on the price prediction about this? If you guys are still holding Wall Street memes or not, or perhaps you're already giving it up and now you have moved on to a new venture, searching for a new token, for a new pre-sale. Yeah, I'm very curious to know what you guys think about this, and if you guys are actually looking forward for this project, or you have already given up on it and moved on to a new pre-sale, new token. Yeah, share your thoughts in the comment section down below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you got value out of this video, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and also hit the bell so you never miss another video, another update. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.